All right, today we have a really easy install. Sarah was awesome and went out and bought a Phiestina beverage cooler. So we're gonna get rid of our dingy ass old garbage compactor. Get that out of here, because really, who uses a garbage compactor anymore? I know we don't. Maggot fest. Anyway, that's a whole other story. Anyway, it's just a really nice touch to add to any kitchen. Super easy, and if you need, an auxiliary cooling unit for drinks, wine, beer, whatever you need it for, it's a great little addition. So, all right, let's do this. Dun dun dun! And guess what's going in its place? All right, now for a little cleanup after pulling the beast out. Let's see what treasures we can find in here. Let's get to business. Okay, now that we got the nasties out there, I think it's time to insert this thing. Right there. You would think this part would be easy, but oh no. Oh no, why would it be easy? Redneck ingenuity here. Why won't it come up? Yes! Yes! I did it! Success is sweet. Ooh. I'm Sean Lentz. For more Okay. For more home improvement tips, go to thegrubbyhubby.com.